Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel Channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet glasses holder, and this is for a bear. You could probably make this into a cat, just change the ears and add some whiskers. So I made it with an H hook, and for the ears I made it with a G hook, and all of this is done with medium worsted yarn. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. The pattern is down below, and if you're a beginner, there's a beginner's playlist down below as well. And if you need to place this in slow motion, if it's too fast, there's a video for that too. You can add eyes. These are little safety eyes. I hot glue gunned the eyes here, and then the nose and the muzzle. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you're going to make a chain count of 17. So yarn over and pull through until you have 17 all together. Then in the second chain from the hook, you're going to work a single crochet, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Work that until you get to the end. Now you're at the end, and you're going to work 3 single crochet at the end. Then you're going to work single crochets all the way down until you get to this end here. To the end, I'm going to work 3 single crochet at the end here. And now I'm going to place the stitch marker and single crochet in the next 15 stitches. Okay, you did the 3 single crochet, then you went up 15 single crochet. Now you're going to work 2 single crochet, then 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet, now single crochet in the next 14 single crochet to the end. So work that until you have all 14. Okay, so you have all 14, and now you're going to work 2 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet. I'm going to do 2 single crochet. After you did the 2 single crochet, you're going to work 1 single crochet in the next 15 stitches until you get over here. So work that for 15 stitches. Okay, after you did your 15, you're going to work 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 2, and then 2 in the next, and then 1, and then 2, and then 2, now single crochet in the next 14 stitches. Work that until you have the 14. You went across and did the 14. Now you're going to do 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then 2 again, and then 1, single crochet, and then 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So you did 2, 2, and then 1, and then 2, and 2, and you're going to place your stitch marker. Now single crochet in the next 15 stitches. Work that until you get to 15. Now work 2 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Now after you did the 3 increases, work 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. These are just single crochets. Now work 2 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Now work 1 single crochet in the next 14 stitches. Work that until you get to 14, and then 2 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then a single crochet in the next 3 stitches, just 1 single crochet. And then 2 single crochet in the next 3 stitches for an increase. So 2, and then 2, and then 2. Now you're going to single crochet in the next 20 stitches. Work that until you have 20. Now that you have 20, you're going to work 2 single crochet, then single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Then work 2 single crochet. Crochet into the next 22 stitches. Okay, I did 22, and now I'm going to do 2 single crochet, then 1 single crochet in the next 5. And then add 2. And your stitch marker is here. You can single crochet over to it. And now you're going to single crochet in each stitch around for 6 rounds and continual rounds. So keep working this around until you have 6 rounds. Okay, so you did your 6 rounds. Now you can do a cute muzzle with a G hook and white yarn. Go into the magic circle. If this is your first time doing the magic circle, there is a link on how to do that down below. Work 6 single crochet into the ring. And then pull it closed. slip stitch into the beginning stitch. Then work 2 single crochet around in each stitch for a total of 12. Work 2 single crochet in each stitch until you get back to the beginning. So now you have 12 all together, and you're going to work a slip stitch to join, and then work 1 single crochet, and then 2 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet, and then 2 single crochet. So then you'll have 18. So work 1, 2 until you get back to the beginning. You're going to slip stitch, and then you can fasten off and then weave in your ends. Once you do that, you're going to add the little muzzle down here. Then you can add a nose inside by hot glue gunning it on, and then you'll add your 2 black eyes here. And then make sure you center your eyes according to your glasses. To make the ears, I'm using a G-hook, and I'm making 2. I'm going to use the magic circle and work 5 single crochet into the magic ring. If you want the ears a little bit wider, you can do 6 or use a bigger hook. And then pull it closed. And then work 2 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 10. And for 3 rounds, I'm just going to work single crochets only, and then sew it closed. Repeat that around for 3 rounds. Now I'm going to slip stitch, and then take the ends, meet them together, and then meet the 2 ends together and slip stitch it closed. And this little tail here, you can just cut off when you're finished. And then just pull it through, and then you'll attach it to your holder. And you can cut this off and then use a tail, a long enough tail, so you can sew it in. And when you're done, you're just going to slip stitch, fasten off, weave in your ends, and then we're going to add the ears. When you're done with the ear, you're going to take your yarn needle, and having it right on top of the eye, you're going to want to do that with the other ear as well, so they're equal. Then I'm just taking my yarn and my yarn needle and sewing it right on. And make sure you're securing it by connecting the ear and your tail into the holder. If you don't connect at all, then it's not going to stay. And then you can go on this back side and weave in your ends after doing that. I hope you enjoyed this crochet bear glasses holder, and the pattern is down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.